Hi kids! Let's learn some of the colors. Come. This is the color red. Red is the color of a rose. Very good. This is the color yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. Wow! This is the color black. Black is the color of the crow. Very good. This is the color green. Green is the color of leaves. Excellent. This is the color blue. Blue is the color of sky. Correct. This is the color orange. Orange is the color of carrot. Very good. This is the color pink. Pink is the color of a lotus. Wow! This is the color white. White is the color of ducks. Very good. This is the color purple. Purple is the color of Chini's frock. Excellent. This is the color brown. Brown is the color of a monkey. Correct. This is the color grey. Grey is the color of an elephant. Very good. Let's repeat the color names. Red, yellow, black, green, blue, orange, pink, white, purple, brown, grey. Very good.